Today we'll talk about how can you enable WhatsApp notifications on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click it on menu down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So then you click here on permissions notifications, just click on it. You come here to WhatsApp, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean WhatsApp notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.